Hello everyone, and are you guys looking to learn Adobe Photoshop from a beginner level? So if you're trying to learn Photoshop from a beginner level, then you guys are in the right place. So here in this class, I'll be explaining you guys about what all we can do here in this Photoshop. I'll be explaining you guys about the toolbar and many more. Like I'll be explaining you guys how we can actually make a beautiful image and how we can edit up image in this particular application. So let's see what all we'll be learning in this class. So first up, I'll be explaining you guys what Photoshop is and how it's useful, why it's different from any other application. And I'll be also explaining you guys about the workspace and the interface. So once we're familiar with any kind of workspace or interface, it's quite easy for us to work in that particular application. And after that, I'll be telling you guys how we can use layers. So we know that how important it is in this particular application. So it's all about layering in this Photoshop. And I'll be showing you guys how we can combine images in Photoshop as well, like how to combine different images and create a particular nice project. And I have showed you guys a project, like I have shown and explained each and every lesson in this tutorial through a project. So hope you guys will enjoy this class. And I have also told you guys about coloring and adjusting layers in Photoshop, like how we can duplicate layer, how we can actually adjust layers, like first layer, second layer, like how we can keep our first layer in the last panel. So I'll be explaining you guys about all that as well. And I have showed you guys how we can create different type of shapes and images, how we can change the opacity, the level of colors. And I'll also be explaining you guys how we can actually use different strokes in Photoshop. And I'll be also be telling you how we can crop an image and an object here in this application. And interesting part here, I have showed you guys how we can copy one image to another. Suppose I do have a like image and I have just cropped it down and just adjusted it in such a way that it will be quite hard for people to understand that I have photoshopped or used any kind of editing in that particular page. And I have also showed you guys how we can actually crop images inside text. And lastly, I have shown you guys how we can actually export this particular file once we are done working on that. So hope to see you all in the tutorial and we'll learn together in this class. So during this tutorial, if you guys have any problem in understanding any part, I'm always there. So you guys can reach out. So take care everyone and hope to see you all in the tutorial.